Hello everyone, I'm Exodus, IAU NAEC, National Astronomy Education Coordinator from Hong Kong, and also the Co-National Outreach Coordinator from Hong Kong. So it's my honor to share some experience about astronomy and sustainability. So today the main focus will be related to some student-led social innovation projects and how could we achieve the sustainability development goals with different approaches and methods and engagement. Feel free to watch it if you have time. The Hong Kong Light Pollution Rescue Team. And it's actually a student-led social innovation project about dark sky protections, science communication to solve some real-life issues in the community. UN SDGs is actually really helpful for brainstorming the teaching contents and students' learning outcomes. And there will be different activities and approaches. For example, the framing problems using the photo frame. Find some focus objects in order to figure out whether there will be some major issues that we are facing in our daily life. Another one will be related to the light pollution field trip and motivating students to have some real life experience to go outside to learn outside the classrooms and have some field trip in the Victoria Harbour, seeing all the skyscrapers. What is the light pollution issues that are actually facing? So besides that, there are also some experiential learning with different lighting after the social observation of outdoor lighting designs. And you can see there are a lot of different good or bad design of lighting. More than that, trying out some design thinking experiential workshops to allow students to build prototype by dark sky friendly outdoor lighting shields to use some recycled plastic bottles, and we contribute in some dark sky festivals for science communication and advocacies. It's really great to have some DreamStarter Fair for students to showcase what they have learned, the learning outcomes and progress, and to raise people awareness about the urban light pollution. Some videos and poster designed, and then some unique supporting astronomical observation tools, educational tools for students to learn more about astronomy and for the showcase to let people to visualize the learning of astronomy. And more than that, there are some examples for public education. So this is the light pollution map in Hong Kong that we are facing with a lot of light pollution issues. As you can see, especially in some spaces, in some region, in near the Victoria Harbour, is 1,000 times brighter than the darkest skies in the global standard. So you can see that there are some different activities that we could try out. For example, the dark sky spots to organize some stargazing camps, light sky guide tools, and some public education to allow people to know more about stargazing manner in the UNESCO Global Geopark. Besides that, we can also go to some places. For example, in Hong Kong, we do have some ASTROx setting up with a lot of different ancient Chinese astronomical instruments for demonstration to allow people to know more about the historical backgrounds of astronomical development in Chinese community. And more than that, we do have some observatory in some places which is relatively far from the central city with light polluted regions. So we do have some outdoor experiential workshops to allow people to know more about astrophotography and observational astronomy. And we do have some sci-fi astronomy experience to allow people in another angle. Besides traditionally we try some stargazing walk, we can consider it a new type of field trip, such as light pollution field trip. The target is not about observing the astronomical object or considering the natural environment, but at the same time we could have some field trip to learn more about different types of urban light pollutions, issues that we are facing with the light pollutions that is affecting our daily life, especially you can see in some places. So allowing people to use some light sky brightness detection and joining some citizen science projects to know more about, to observe, to keep records, and to have some really first-hand observations. And some star rocking in the central city regions to allow people to have some understanding about light pollutions and sustainability developments. And this is my sharing, and please feel free to email me for more information because of the time limits. And thank you for your patience. Thank you, everyone.